today we are diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading on Coinex. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or you are looking to expand your trading knowledge, this video is for you. You're going to be able to see how you can actually make for yourself as much as $3,000 to $10,000 every single month trading cryptocurrency. We'll be covering both spot trading and futures trading, so buckle up and let's get started. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why we are focusing on Coinex. Founded in 2017, Coinex has quickly become a go-to platform for many traders. It's user-friendly, offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and provides both spot and futures trading options. But remember, always do your own research before choosing or jumping on any trading platform, right? Awesome. Let's get started with Coinex, right? So, all right. You want to get started with going ahead to sign up on Coinex, use the link I have right down there in the description of this particular video, because that's going to take you over to Coinex and you can actually get to create an account for yourself. On the top right corner, you're going to be seeing where you can sign up. Click on the button and from there you can enter your email and password. And definitely for your password, you actually want to use a mix of upper and lower letters just to keep your account more secure. Now, once you've entered your details, Coinex is going to send you a verification email, which after you verify, you can then log into your account and start up your KYC. Now, KYC is very important on Coinex, and this is basically to ensure security both on their end and as well as yours, and just to also know you as a customer. Now, the next thing you actually want to do right now is to proceed to add some assets inside of your Coinex account. There are two ways to actually do this right here, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. One is when you actually want to proceed to use the asset button, click on your asset, and you can get to click on deposit. And with the option of depositing, you can proceed to deposit some funds in your Coinex account from other crypto platforms. It could be Binance or Bybit or whatever. Or you can actually get to do P2P. Now with P2P, you have the option of going over to buy some USDT from another trader. This is actually one of the best methods of getting to deposit some assets inside of your account. And I have a video where I showed you how to do that step by step on Coinex, and you actually want to see that video right on here. Okay, now once you already have some deposit to your account, let's say $10 or $100, we actually want to go over and start up with our spot trading first. Now on here, you want to go ahead and over on the top menu, click on spot trading, and you are going to be able to see a couple of trading pairs. Now let's use Bitcoin and USDT as example, where you can actually see the Bitcoin USDT pair, and you just want to click on it and you would see a chart. Right at the center here, there's a chart, and this chart might actually be a little bit of intimidating if this is your first time of jumping on something like this, but then calm down. I'm going to be walking you through every of what you're seeing on here. Okay, so basically you're going to be seeing the current price pair of the selected pair which you have. And note that you can always change this pair and customize it as much as you want based on whatever you're trading. All right. Now, you would be able to customize the full chart with different time frames and also technical indicators just to aid your analysis. Right. On the left side, you're going to be seeing the order book, and this is going to be showing all current buy and sell orders. The green numbers are the buy orders, while the red numbers are the sell orders. Now, this gives you a quick view of the market demand. Right on the right hand side, you're going to be seeing the trading interface, and this is where the magic happens. Right now, let's explore a little bit of this interface. Now, first of all, you have the option to switch buttons between limit or market orders. Now, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, let's say Bitcoin is trading at $30,000, but you only want to buy it when it drops to $29,500, right? You want to use a limit order. Now, the trade will only execute if the price reaches your set limit. Is that well understood? Awesome. Now, if it's a market order, on the other hand, it gets to execute immediately at the best available current price. And with this, it is faster, but you have less control over the exact price you are going to get, right? Now, below all of this, you're going to be seeing fields to enter the amount you want to trade and the price for the limit orders. There's also a percentage slider letting you to quickly select how much of available balance you want to use. right? Whether it's 20, 50, or 100% of your available balance. Finally, you have the buy and the sell buttons, green for buy and red for sell. Always double check to be sure of the one that you are clicking at all times. Now, let's say you want to buy some Bitcoin in the buy BTC box. You can enter how much you want to buy. And for a market order, just enter the amount and click buy BTC. For a limit order, you would enter your desired price, the amount you want to buy, then click buy BTC, and that's it. Now, make sure to remember that when you buy in spot trading, you own the actual cryptocurrency and you can withdraw it to your personal wallet or keep it on the exchange for future trade. Now, let's take a little bit dive into futures trading on Coinex. Now, unlike spot trading, futures don't involve buying the actual cryptocurrency. Instead, you are speculating on the future price movement. It is a bit like betting on the weather. You're predicting what will happen and not changing what will happen itself, right? That is exactly what future is. Now on Coinex, you actually want to go over on the same menu section, click on futures, and you would see a similar interface like the spot trading, but with some key differences. Now, let me share this with you guys. You're going to be seeing the price chart, the order book, and they are usually in the same place, just as it is on spot trading. But on the right side, you would see some new elements. First, there's the leverage selector. This allows you to choose how much of leverage you'd want to use. And this actually can get up to 100x on Coinex. On other platforms, you get 25x or 50x, but this is just the largest, right? Now, you're going to be seeing some field for the number of the contracts you want to trade and your take profit and stop loss level. Now, always set this to manage your risk. You would still have the option for limits and market orders, but there is also a new type, which is the trigger order. Now, this allows you to set the conditions for when your order should be placed. Now, instead of the buy and sell, you now have open long and open short. Long means you are betting the price will go up. Short means you are betting it will go down. Now, let's open a position. Say we actually think Bitcoin's price will go up. We'll open a long position. If we think it will go down, we'll open a short position. Now, let's go for the long for this example. Now, choose your leverage and enter the size of your position and decide between market or limit order, just like in spot trading. Now, the most important key things you actually have to note here is always set a stop loss, because this automatically closes your positions if the price moves against you by a certain amount. You can also set a take profit, which closes your position when it reaches a certain level of profit. Now, these tools are your best friend in managing risk. Yes, risk management is a very huge thing when trading on futures. Now, there's a lot more to futures trading: the funding rates, the contract specifications, the liquidation prices, but we'll need another video to cover all of those, right? The key takeaway here is futures trading can be very profitable, but it is also very risky. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Now that we've seen both interfaces, let me share with you guys some key differences between the benefit of spot trading versus future trading. Now, for spot trading, the pros here: one is the simplicity. It is straightforward. You're buying the actual asset. Two is ownership. You own the cryptocurrency and can withdraw it to your personal wallet. Three is lower risk. There is no leverage, so you can't lose more than you invest, right? Now, having known all of the pros of spot trading, let's also look at futures trading. One here is leverage. You can actually control a large position with a small amount of capital. Two is short selling, where you can profit from whether the price decreases or the price increases, right? Three is higher liquidity, where the futures market actually gives you, the ability to have a higher trading volume than you would even have. But then there are cases where you get to fall into higher risk, or it is a little bit more complex. And these are a couple of concerns that you basically would need to have. Now, the choice between spot or futures trading depends on your risk tolerance, your trading goals, and your level of experience. Spot trading is generally better for beginners or for those looking to accumulate cryptocurrency, while futures trading is more suited for experienced traders looking for higher profit potential and who are comfortable with higher risks, right? Now, Coinex already have a school, more like a university guide that you can basically go through in order to learn all of this step by step. They share with you all of the insights, tutorial, and these are done by experts. Now, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of those in the description of this particular video, so that if you're getting started with this, you can as well go through all of these tutorials step by step, and most importantly, take some more time, do your research, because trading is actually not just a beginner thing, right? You need to gather some level of insight, some level of knowledge to be more, proficient in trading. And it is very important to actually know all of this. I've actually done a couple of videos that would still guide you, but then you can also join my crypto Telegram community, which is going to be down in the description. The link is going to be down in the description so that you can still learn some more with me. I guide you through and you can get better at this and make more money for yourself in the crypto space. Now, this is it for this particular video today, guys. Do make sure to note that I'm not a financial advisor and you should actually get to do your own research before you can jump or make any financial decisions, right? I'm going to be leaving a couple of links for you still in the description to actually aid your research. And even with all of this, do make sure to trade with an amount that you can afford to lose. That is just like a rule of thumb, right? Yeah, so this is it for the video today, guys. Thanks so much for watching through, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.